Hey guys, it's Cheryl here today. Today I'm doing a little bit of Halloween art. I have this piece of canvas that I either picked it up from the Dollar Tree or I had it extra from Hobby Lobby, and I have this little silhouette of a rat that I've used for decorations, some yellow and black paint, some orange glow-in-the-dark paint, and I ended up using some regular pumpkin color orange paint as well, and just some brushes that I already had. So I had all this stuff already around the house. So we're going to get started into this quick and easy Halloween DIY art. So stick around so you can see what I do. Okay guys, the first thing I'm going to do is just put a coat of orange paint onto the canvas. And I always find it relaxing to paint. And I hope you do too, at least if you don't like to paint, like watching others paint. So we're going to get this covered. Super easy. I hope everybody is being safe and doing well. And I think I ended up putting maybe 2 coats of paint on this, and I put a little bit on the edges and let this dry before I went on to my next step. Okay, so now I'm going to put some yellow around the edges just to make it look a little bit more, I guess, not so flat looking, if that makes sense. So I'm going to be putting the yellow on, and it's not going to be this bright. I'm going to mix it with a little bit of water to kind of blend it onto the canvas. So that's what I'm doing now. You can see this one end is really bright, so I'm going to blend that out. Put a little water. I usually keep an old container, and I'll put water in that I use to clean my brushes. Don't need to buy a bunch of equipment to paint. And you see I paint right out of the tops usually of my little paint containers. Okay guys, so I think we pretty much have the yellow on this side the way I want it. So now I'm going on to the other side. I'm going to do this quickly. Look at the brush. The only thing, what I kind of like about these Dollar Tree brushes is that when you do something, when you finish, you can just throw these things away. You get about 6 in a pack. Okay, it's coming along nicely. Just blending, blending, blending. It's still a little bright on this side, so I added a little water. Gonna blend this all out. And I am going to see, I got kind of like a circle effect going. And I think that makes it look a lot better than just plain old flat orange. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below if you like this kind of content. I do things around the house to make your house beautiful inside and out. So that's what I do. And I would like for you to also check out some of my other DIYs, and I'll leave a link below. Okay, so I'm going to put some of this glow-in-the-dark paint on each end and blend it in like I did with the yellow. Just a little bit, so the edges maybe glow in the dark. When I turn off the light, I'll have to check it out and see if it actually works. Usually it says you need maybe a couple coats but I think I only did one on this project. And I always use an old rag instead of wasting poster board. I know it doesn't make it look like a great professional DIY, but I'm saving money here. And then you can always wash the rag, and then I can put paint right on it, and I'm not hurting anything. Okay, I think we're about at the end of this glow-in-the-dark paint. And you can see my brush is getting raggedy. And while you're at it, please don't forget to comment below and subscribe and watch to the end. It really helps my channel. I truly appreciate it. Everybody who continue to come to my channel, and if you're new here, thanks so much for stopping by. I truly, truly appreciate it. I love all my YouTube friends and family. Okay, I did end up, as you can see, I decided to put on another coat of the glow-in-the-dark paint, just to be sure. Okay, I think that's good. What do you guys think? I mean, you don't have to get any special paint. You can use whatever color you want. You can use green, purple, orange, black. Well, you can't use black. Well, you could for this project, and I'll tell you why in a second. Okay, I think this is good. It's all dry. So now I'm going to take this rat that I had a silhouette for. He goes with a kit that I have, and I put them at the baseboard at Halloween time. So I'm just going to put him on the canvas. I'm going to set him a particular way so I can get as much as I can. I'm not going to be able to get the entire tail, but that is all right. I think he'll still look cute. So he has a sticker on the back, so I'm just going to stick him on the canvas, and I'm going to just go with a pencil and lightly trace around his body. And he doesn't have very difficult parts to trace, just around his feet. The rest is just pretty simple. So we're going to try to get the feet straight first, and then we'll get that tail. Okay, I think I got it. All right, so we're going to do the tail, and in the next part I thought I really liked showing you guys this next part, so keep watching and see how this develops. Okay, this is the part that I enjoyed, and watch how it develops. I thought it was super cool because I could speed this up and make it look like I'm a fast painter. But watch how the rat develops. I think it's super cute. There he goes, his little paws. This was a super easy DIY. If you have any kind of silhouette or something, you just trace it on a piece of canvas, and there you go. Isn't that cute? Okay, so I let this dry. This is one I tried earlier. I didn't care for him as much as I enjoy this one. Okay, so he dried, and so now I'm going to paint his eyes. That was super easy. I just used some yellow, and I took the tip of my paintbrush and just went into the little holes on the silhouette for the eyes, and that was all it was to it. I think I put 2 coats just to make sure I had enough on there. There you go. As you can see on the edges, I decided to put a little brown around, just around the edges a little bit. And there he is. So I hope you enjoyed this quick little Halloween canvas art. Here's one that I painted earlier. Me and my dots. If you are interested, I would like to give this away. So just say in the comments below, "Oh rats." Hashtag "Oh rats." And I will pick someone and give it away. Probably I'll come back because I have some more DIYs. But just let me know if you're interested in receiving this, not this guy because I want to keep him, but the other one that I did, this one. If you enjoyed this and you would like to have him, just let me know by saying hashtag "Oh rats." I guess the first person that says that, I'll send it to. Okay, that's the easiest way. Thanks so much, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.